This goofy robovac shows a red light steady. It doesn't charge. The charger is working. Make sure first to turn the switch to off position. Important. You want to remove the cover over the battery. You have two rather tiny Phillips screwdrivers. Just grab the battery. When you place it back, be careful because the cable may get trapped underneath. So I suggest just keep the cable out. Try to insert it without crushing the cable. To unplug it, we have this small tab on the side. So what you need to do, just insert your fingernail at the top and just lift it from there. Lift it a little bit and pull on the wires at the top. So lift that tab a little bit and just pull the top connector. And put it back in place. Remember, this connector has a bump on one side, and you put that bump towards the tab and just press it down until it clicks. And my suggestion is to wait, just let the battery sit like this for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Maybe it's going to reset the unit. If the battery is still good, the battery is bad, then you need to replace it. These are the specs. And by the way, when you connect it back in place, don't forget, after you connect the battery, to turn the switch to on position.